Welcome to another episode of The Green Life with your boy TPG. We're out here today, folks, trying to keep the tomato dream alive in the most jank possible way. I like to live my life beyond jank, but sometimes you just end up in the jank zone. And that's life. It's well known that I should have had higher quality tomato cages, all right? This is a real thing. Should have invested in better cages. Next year, the setup's gonna be crazy. So these are my cherry tomatoes. A lot of people love cherry tomatoes. My situation here is getting extremely jank. I have all these various quality tomato cage things. And what I'm trying to do is just have one stock just work its way up. Now these things are big. I don't want to really grab it too much. You can see that they are delicately hanging in the balance. My precious sun gold is just going up. Now I had a disaster strike the other day where this piece snapped. And I still don't know if it's worked. Sometimes these leaves here look healthy. I think that is a relatively healthy. These ones don't look very healthy. Hey, listen, if you're liking these nature videos, if you're liking these gardening videos, just hit that subscribe button. I'm making more and more. My neighbor gave me these 10-foot tall staking plants. These are much taller than the others. I cannot wait to get a real trellis next year. This is probably my greatest piece of achievement. That is actually not all. In fact, I have another secret tomato endeavor that I'm going to share with you guys now. So check it out. Now over here in my green stock, where I have all my strawberries coming in, or basically just becoming food for squirrels, I have two other tomatoes. Plant one is this beast right here, which has some nice tomatoes coming in. So I'm going to show you again, all the way down, down. And it's a thick boy right in there. Now, right above it, we delicately rotate. You could have three thick boys all coming up. Woke up this morning and the plants were falling over, and I thought, yikes, guy. Stuck one stake in here. You can see it supporting. Stuck another stake in there, also supporting. And I got one thing that's basically holding the entire tomato dream away. I'm not proud of this setup, okay? I know that it's jank. Sometimes in my life I've been chasing jank, I guess. Sometimes I've been avoiding jank. Sometimes I may have even been jank. But what matters is that we get to the yield. We get to the yield, okay? If I can water this mess of tomatoes, I can get there. That's where I'm at. I need cages, I know, but sometimes in life, you gotta work with what you got, okay? And look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll take that. I'll take that, folks. And when you know what I'll take you guys to keep exploring. Let's go.
Welcome to the Green Life with your host TPG. Tune in maybe once a week. I promise it'll be